Uninvited guests. Once upon a time, in a small house, lived a little girl named Guria. She was cheerful and loved playing around the house. But there was one thing she didn't like at all: the uninvited guests who often troubled her home. Every evening as the sun went down, tiny chipmunks, lizards crept on the walls, mice ran across the floor, and cockroaches crawled out from dark. Cockroaches crawled out from dark corners. Gudia felt scared and immediately shut the doors and windows tight. But no matter how many times she closed everything, somehow the uninvited guests always found a way in, through little holes under the door or from tiny cracks. They would sneak into her house. One day her grandmother smiled and said, "These creatures may look scary, but each of them has a place in nature. The lizard eats mosquitoes, the mouse looks for food, and the cockroach hides in the dark. They don't mean harm, but we must keep our home clean so they don't bother us." From that day, Guria learned an important lesson. If she wanted to keep the uninvited guests away, she needed to keep her home neat and tidy. Slowly she stopped fearing them and started taking care of her little house with love. And so the Bin Bulai Mehman became less of a problem, and Guria lived happily in her clean and bright home. Moral is, cleanliness keeps uninvited guests away.